Next on the agenda, we have something totally new to the industry, which was developed by Snows and is used exclusively by Snows. A revolutionary new method of cleaning leather to bring it back to a like-new condition. After 6 months to a year, leather starts to crack and collects dirt in those cracks. In the upper left-hand corner, the leather has already been cleaned with conventional leather cleaner. In the bottom picture, the center strip has been cleaned by Snows and has been returned to an amazingly like-new surface. That strip has not been dyed, only cleaned. Now let's look at it under a microscope. You can see how the leather cleaned with conventional leather cleaner fails in comparison to the leather cleaned by Snows. It's almost like new, even 60 times magnified. Here at 200 times magnification, you can really see the difference. The first box is uncleaned leather. The second box is cleaned with conventional leather cleaner. The third box is after Snows has finished cleaning the leather with our exclusive new revolutionary cleaning process. Notice the dirt is completely removed from the cracks. Then we use our exclusive leather sealer to seal the leather to prevent the cracks from collecting dirt again and bring the leather back to a virtually like new condition. Here are some examples of frontline ready used cars. This Mercedes has been completely detailed and was ready to sell. Where the tape is had not been expertly cleaned by Snows. Everywhere Snows cleaned is back to looking like leather should. Here's an Aston Martin on the front line that was detailed and ready to go. We were asked to repair the damaged beading. Not only did we repair it, we brought the leather back to looking like new with our cleaning techniques. Look at the difference. This is the finished product. Here's another Aston Martin. When we examined it on the front line, we found that it needed some re-dyeing and could greatly benefit from a good cleaning. In the second picture, we are doing the cleaning. In the third picture, we've cleaned the area in need of re-dyeing and have left a section unclean to demonstrate the difference. As the fourth picture shows, we can quickly and easily take years off of your leather. Thank you for taking time to learn about Snows. We hope it has assisted you in your choice of an interior restoration company. We hope to hear from you soon and look forward to doing business with you. Until then, have a great day. Goodbye.